We're searching for all the waterfalls in the Black Forest. We've got a couple of weeks here. We'll see how far we get. We'll show you where to park, how much it is, how far it is to waterfall, and if it's worth seeing. So let's go to our first one in the Black Forest.
We've just found the small parking for the walk to Gaisholl. We're not sure how to say it. So we'll write it here, and it's free. And the waterfall itself is free as well. So if it's a good one, it's a bargain. We're heading up to the start of what looks like the trail already. We've only walked a couple of minutes. Oh, that's where we're staying, isn't it? You can hear the water running already. So we're definitely in the right place.
Follow the trail, shall we?
Let's go.
Well signposted already.
Yeah.
As you'd expect in Germany. So we're going this way.
Into the forest we go. Every little bridge, another little waterfall.
Must be at least the 6th waterfall we've seen on this trail. Is it cold?
How clean the water is. It's a relatively short hike.
About 45 minutes taken us.
And then you come out sort of onto the road again with more signs for the waterfall pointing you back down. So it's just a nice little hike up, isn't it?
Good workout. Walking through miniature waterfalls along the way. Beautiful scenery. Really nice.
So now we can amble back down and count the steps and the waterfall.
Day 2. Searching for waterfalls, Black Forest, Germany, is a very, very dangerous start to the day. We're literally driving in the clouds. It's so misty, you can't see a thing out there. Here's a parking lot, quite a big one, where you can park for free, and the start of the trail should be next to the parking. Park there, and head straight towards the ginormous sign.
You can't miss it, can you?
It's nice, isn't it? It's a grand entrance.
It is grand, yeah.
Lush forest, gushing water.
I love it already.
Yeah, beautiful start. Well, you've been in there 2 minutes. Already looks wonderful. And now steep climb. It should take 30 minutes, but we'll time it.
That's pretty, isn't it? Look at that. Is this the main one? Wow. That's a bit much.
What number is it?
212.
212.
We'll put the name here.
Literally took 5 minutes to reach.
Yeah. We haven't even woken up or got the tea out yet.
We just walked up the stairs thinking that was it.
1 minute up the stairs and then there's another one and some more stairs. Wow. Even closer to
Might
this
be
one.
even gushing more.
Yeah. And another little pool.
Look at that.
How pretty that is. Oh wow.
That's really going for it.
Yeah.
I reckon it's just waterfalls all the way up.
Wow. It's blooming amazing. Whatever you do, don't go to the first one and go back to the car, because there's loads more.
It's a stunning walk so far.
So it takes you through the gorge and follows the river and the falls as you go, with steps and handrails, and really close to it. It feels amazing.
Really nice, really good. Definitely worth doing.
Definitely, and it's free. We should go back the same way, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
There's obviously lots of other routes that you could do from here.
It's a good 20 minutes, so 30 minutes. Take your time, take pictures, video.
Yeah.
A good half an hour, and then probably 20 minutes back. So
yeah, and the whole thing's just pristine, isn't it?
really pristine. I've not seen any rubbish.
No, there's benches to stop off at. Everything's so well signed.
Day 3, Black Forest Waterfalls. We're heading towards the Wanderplatz Gertelbach waterfall. It's about 18 minutes from where we're staying. It's a free parking lot, again, which has been really good so far. We haven't paid a penny for parking yet. I'd imagine this is it, yeah.
Okay.
We're in the free parking to Gertelbach.
That was easy, wasn't it?
Yep. Walk over a bridge. Don't need to worry where to go because massive sign.
Come out from the forest onto a path with different routes again. It opens out. There's a big picnic bench here, huge picnic bench, and a lovely carved wooden bench, and then this, which we think is a beer station. A beer kiosk. Well, look at that.
It's got a price list.
Oh yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
€280.
For a beer, and then I guess you put your money in the little box there and take your beer.
There's plenty to go at. Yeah. Like having a few cold ones.
And it's in some nice cold mountain water there, so it's keeping chilled. Well, I never. So I suppose it feels like harder going because it's just massive stone steps and
They
tree
go
roots.
up and down and don't get anywhere.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we just go slow paced, don't we?
Trying to stay on our 2 feet.
And we
Not even on the beer yet.
No, that's what I was going to say. If we'd have stopped at the beer station for an actual beer, we wouldn't have made it any further than that, probably. Oh, that is really gorgeous, actually.
Beautiful. That could be a waterfall on its own.
It could.
It's lovely.
And the little pool at the front, look. It's really lovely. up the steps to carry on with this trail. Oh yeah, bench.
Good view. What's that here?
That. Wow.
Up the steps we go.
Like walking through a little fantasy world. This trail.
Very impressive so far.
We love it round here. Black Forest, huge thumbs up
So
here.
far, I mean you can only give it 5 stars.
Yeah, definitely. We've come up a bit further and now there's a little hut.
The Gertelbach hut.
So big executive decision here.
We go by the map, we are at the hut. We've walked down here and there's a bench, and there was a bench next to that lovely waterfall we saw. So we are declaring that it's the first waterfall on the route.
Yeah.
And if we continue on the route for another 5 minutes, we should reach a second one on the route.
So that will be 213 and 214 in the books. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, but it's like multiple layers to it. There's a couple falling sides to the top.
Do you know, it's quite hard to see on the camera actually.
Yeah, it's a bit covered by a tree.
We've hiked back down to the first waterfall to have our lunch instead because the bench at the hut was taken. Can't help but get some more views of this one. It's so pretty. But we're going to head back now, back the same way we came on the trail and just follow the river.
We are searching for Lautenbach waterfall. 33 minutes out and the storms have arrived. We thought we had a gap for about an hour, but it's already started to rain. It should be a roadside waterfall, so we'll see how we get on.
Might be a drive-by waterfall viewing.
Yep.
Just pulled in off the road looking for the waterfall and I suddenly looked in the rear view mirror and there it is behind us. So we can nip out, get a little view of it.
I thought I can hear it, but I can't see it.
We're at a pull-in. Just off the road. And here is the waterfall.
About 30 steps off the pulley.
Oh, it's pretty.
All the way up the top.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. That's pretty cool actually.
Yeah. This waterfall of the Black Forest.
And it's our 215th waterfall. The tea's out.
It should get us up this.
Fuel us for the path.
Half a kilometre, is it? Hike.
I think so.
Hopefully 20 to 30 minutes. And yeah, it's our 6th waterfall. This travel guide, Black Forest, Germany. And it could be one of the best ones yet.
You'd call this the heart of the Black Forest, wouldn't you? Because we're staying in the north and we've come south for a good 40 minutes.
More towards the middle, definitely.
Yeah. We've got a little, what is this? Benches.
Like a mushroom. Statue. Water.
Oh, is it a beer station?
Oh, is it?
There's beer crates underneath.
Yeah, it's one of them.
Look at this cute little thing. Oh look. There is actual beer in it.
Oh yeah, it's the money where you put your cash. And there's the price.
Oh yeah, look at that. and the cold water is obviously coming in from here, flowing into here. It's cold. It's very cold. It's keeping all the beer cold. Look at that.
That's 0.1.
0.1. So we're really near then. Wow. So if you do stop off for a beer, you haven't got too far left to walk.
Not for a waterfall. Looks like there's tons of hiking trails as usual in the Black Forest.
Yeah.
So that you can walk for miles.
I bet you can.
But for more specifically to a waterfall, we should be close, shouldn't we?
We're definitely following the water up here. There's a little stream right next to this path that's kind of gushing.
Oh, there it is, right.
We can start to see it through the trees as we're coming around this corner. Oh my goodness, this looks like it's going to be amazing. Here we are.
Signpost to everything.
Wow.
Look at that.
This is going to be epic.
Wow, you can see it really nice from here even.
Oh.
Right through the trees.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh. And it's got this like little fairy tale stone path leading to it.
You can get really close to it,
Yeah.
can't you?
Really close. Oh.
We've reached Burgbach Waterfall in the Black Forest. Absolutely epic.
This is my favourite so far by a long way. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's little stone steps leading up to it and a trail of water next to you. It's like something out of a fantasy world.
Very short hike too. It's steep, so be prepared for that. But 15-20 minutes and you'll reach the waterfall.
Very doable.
Definitely worth it. Definitely. A must do in the Black Forest.
And you really feel like you're in the heart of the forest here. It's phenomenal.
So waterfall number 216. And our 6th of this Black Forest adventure. Our final day being in the north of the Black Forest. We are 25 minutes from where we're staying in Sassbach-Walden to our next waterfall, and the parking is free yet again. We've not paid a penny so far in the northern Black Forest, which is great. That's the parking, free parking, and you drive straight through the quarry.
This is quite loud from here. This is the waterfall we're going to see, Edelfrauengrab. So we're looking for a yellow route, I think.
Nice path, nice water streaming through the forest.
Just following the stream. We've been on a few like this already, haven't we?
Yeah. I don't know, you're in the Black Forest.
Yeah.
Is this it?
Wow.
Perhaps it is. I think we might have found our 216 or 217 Waterfall. That is gushing.
It's taken all of 5 minutes to find the waterfall. Amazing.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
In the gorge, in between the lovely design steps. We haven't even walked up yet.
Well, that's one of the easiest ones we've found so far. And yeah, it's pretty cool. well, we might have seen the main one, but there's more on the way. This is a real theme in the Black Forest that we've found so far. Start on a trail, see one waterfall, think brilliant, walk around the corner, there's more. It never ends.
So many trails where waterfalls are just flowing through the... And you see so many of them together.
And at each one they've set up the path so you can see them all.
Yeah.
That's really cool, isn't it?
Very well designed.
They're cleverly done.
That's quite a big one, it's not bad, is it?
Yeah.
Gushing as well.
Yeah. Just loving these paths, how they're set up so that you can see everything on the way. It's so clever.
Definitely, again, worth seeing, as everything has been in this video. It's definitely worth seeing. Nothing has disappointed so far. And Sassenbach Walden, I said that right, is where we're staying. Perfect location.
Definitely. We're right in the middle of literally all of the waterfalls that we've seen, and they're not hard to get to.
So if you want to follow this guide, go to the waterfalls you fancy the most, depending on how long you're staying here, but it's definitely worth coming here. The Northern Black Forest is a massive tick. Definitely recommended.
We kind of had high expectations for it, but they've not been disappointed in any way. We thought it would be good, and it definitely is. Don't get anything like this in the UK.
5 sandwiches for each and every one we've been to so far.
Yeah. Cheers to the Black Forest. This is the end of our stay in the northern part of the Black Forest. We're heading to the southern part tomorrow, and keep watching because there's loads more to see from there.
We are full time on the road in Europe, so hit that subscribe button, follow our journey and see where we end up next, which is not far from here. We're going to explore the southern part of the Black Forest. Will it beat the northern part? It's probably going to be just as good either way.
Probably. I can't wait.
Join us then, and we'll see you in the next one.